Hello friends, welcome to Unreal Blueprints video tutorials series. In the previous video tutorial, we understood cos and sine function in Unreal Blueprint. In this video, I would like to discuss a tan 2 function in Unreal Blueprint. In the previous video, we understood if you know angle of an object, you can get its xy position using cos and sine function. If you know angle of an object, you can get its xy position using cos and sine function. Similarly, if you know x and y position of the object, you can get its angle using a tan 2 function, guys. If you know angle of the object, you can get its xy position using cos and sine. And the opposite is, if you know x and y position of the object, you can get its angle using a tan 2 function, guys. So in the previous video, I told you that consider the object is in this place. Its angle is 0 degree, right? Cos of 0 degree gives you x position, that is 1. Sine of 0 degree gives you y position, that is 0. If the object is in this place, what is its angle? 90 degree. So cos of 90 degree gives you x position 0. Sine of 90 degree gives you y position, which is 1. If the object is in this place, what is its angle? It is 180 degree. So cos of 180 gives you x position, that is minus 1. Sine of 180 degree gives you y position, that is 0. If the object is in this place, its angle is 270 degree. So cos of 270 gives you x position, that is 0. Sine of 270 degree gives you minus 1, that is y position, right? So if you know angle, you can get x and y position. And the opposite is true, guys. If you know x and y position, you can get the angle using a tan 2 function. Okay, let's have a demo and understand. Consider the object is in this place. Its x position is 1, y position is 0. To the a tan 2 function, if I give x and y position, it gives us angle 0 degree, guys. Let me prove. I right click here and search for a tan 2. A tan 2 degrees. So x position I give 1. Y position I give 0. Then I right click here and say print string. Connect the execution pins and connect the data pins. Definitely we get the angle 0 degree, guys. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. You see we got 0 degrees, right? Let's say the object is in this place. Okay, object is in this place. Its x position is 0, y position is 1. So to a tan 2 function, I give x position 0, y position 1. Definitely it is going to return 90 degrees, guys. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. You see it is giving us 90 degree. In the same way, if the object is in this place, its x position is minus 1, y position is 0. X position is minus 1, y position is 0. Definitely we will get here 180 degree returned, guys. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. It has returned 180 degree. If the object is in this place, its x position is 0, y position is minus 1. X position is 0, y position is minus 1. X position is 0, y position is minus 1. Here, instead of getting 270 degree, we get minus 90 degrees, guys. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. You see we got minus 90 degree. Why we are getting minus 90 degree instead of 270? Because a tan 2 function accepts y and x as the input and returns the angle in degrees between minus 180 to plus 180. Instead of returning 0 to 360 degree, it returns minus 180 degree to plus 180 degree, guys. That means if the object is above the x-axis, it returns the angle 0 to 180 degrees. If object is below the x-axis, it returns the angle minus 0 degrees to minus 180 degrees. Understanding? So in the clockwise, we have angles in negative, guys. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like that. Minus 90 degree. 270 degree is considered as minus 90 degree. Minus 10, minus 20, like that. It goes up to minus 180. Anti-clockwise, we have positive angles. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 90, like that we have. So a tan 2 function returns the angle between minus 180 to plus 180, but I want the angle between 0 to 360 degree. I want angle between 0 to 360 degree. When I give x and y position to a tan 2, it should give us 270 degree instead of 90 minus 90 degree. Okay, how do we do that? For that, we use a simple math. To this return value, to the return angle, we add 360 guys. We add 360, and then to this return value, we mod by 360. We mod by 360. Add 360, mod by 360. Now it gives you angle between 0 and 360 degree guys. So instead of minus 90, now you will get 270 degrees. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. You see you got 270 degree guys. So that is how you can get angle between 0 to 360 degrees. I hope you guys have clearly understood how the a tan 2 function is used. If you know x and y position of the object, you can get its angle using a tan 2 function. Let me prove with a real example. Okay, I go here. I'm going to drag and drop a cube, reset its position to 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now let's say its x position I set 1, y position I set 0. Okay. X position I am setting 1, y position 0. So if I give x and y position of the cube, definitely we get 0 degree guys. Okay. Let's get the reference to this cube inside here. Right click, say create reference to cube, and then I drag a wire from this and say get actor location. Right click and say split struct pin. Here I give the x position of the cube and y position of the cube. X position of the cube is 1, y position is 0. So we have given here x position and y position. Definitely we'll get here 0 degree guys. We'll get 0 degree. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. You see we got 0. Okay. Let's say our cube is in this position where x is 0, y is 1. Okay. Where x is 0 and y is 1. Definitely we get 90 degree now. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. You see we got 90 degrees. So it is telling the cube is at 90 degrees on the xy plane. Understanding? Let's go back. Let's say if cube is in this place. Okay. It is in this place where x is minus 1, y is 0. X is minus 1 and y is 0. Definitely we get 180 degree. Play. You see we got 180 degree guys. Okay. If our cube is in this place where x is 0, y is minus 1. X is 0 and y is minus 1. Definitely we get 270 degrees because we are adding 360 mod by 360. Definitely we get 270 guys. Okay, we get 270. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. You see we got 270 degrees. Understanding? So if you know x and y position of the actor, you can get its angle using a tan 2 function guys. I hope you guys have clearly understood how the a tan 2 function is used in Unreal Blueprint. In the upcoming video tutorials, we see some game examples. How do we use sine, cos and a tan 2 functions in games. For this video tutorial, this much is enough guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep designing, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.